Hello again. Thank you for looking at my Craftroom. I just wanted to take you to another side of the Craftroom and show you what's in this little drawers and what is behind it, because I utilized every corner and every little piece of this Craftroom to keep it neat. I just start out with the um, little drawers. I think I'm going to start here. I will start at the bottom of the drawers. They are all stamps, stamps, stamps. I just open a couple because it's all stamps, and here I have some uh, pencils. This one is to draw. This one is empty. Then I will go to here. This I use this for the back of some journal covers. This is coffee dyed old sheets. I ripped it in pieces and I put it there so I can use it. Just some ephemera, just some random stuff, ephemera and stuff. These are the same little covers that I had on the end of my desk where I dried the flowers in. These ones are to sell, but I'm not to that. Yeah, just some. I got them from a supermarket, but it's are just stickers. This holds my paper ruffles. These are all empty. I have a little room to grow, not that much. Just ephemera, I made them from a tack ponds and just decorated them a little. Just some random ephemera that I got somewhere. Empty. Just some ephemera. Oh, this just to hold everything dry. Just ephemera. And I think, oh, these are empty, and this one I just pre-made, just like a half finished product, so I can use them and decorate them when I need them. That were the little drawers. Then I go to the top. There I have some vintage books. They're really nice. This one I made myself. It's just my personal book. Here I have some stamps that are too big for the little drawers. Just some decorations. This one holds just some random stuff, pretty nothing. But I'll show you. I take some things off. I'm not going to open it because it's too much work. I have to get a lot of it off. But this one is opens, and then there will be all fabric in it. So then I will go there. Just some decoration. This one my son made, and it holds now also some ephemera. It was so cute for him to make that. I will open it up. He made it on school, so nice. He's 13. Then I have here some little drawers. Just, to glue and tape, glue and a hot glue gun, more glue. I use a lot of glue. And here, you can make some glitter letters or drawings on something. That's what I hold there. Then you see behind there, I have some books, but the top are not real books, it are boxes. This one is a real vintage old book that